Kire and Diablo, best buddies and loved by millions on social media, but not as much as by their human Kim. Kim takes great care of his furry friends, keeping them safe and healthy from nasty parasites. But what Kim doesn't know is that this couldn't be further from the truth. One day, one of Kire and Diablo's followers noticed a video of Diablo showing some concerning scratching going on. Alerted and a little worried, Kim takes a closer look and finds that a flea has made a cozy home inside Diablo's coat. Surprised, Kim searches online to see if pets can really get parasites inside the home. He finds a major new scientific study conducted in many Asian countries which discovered that ticks and fleas among domestic dogs and cats are quite common. 43% of dogs and 31% of cats have at least one. What's worse, these ticks and fleas can carry nasty parasites which can be harmful to pets and their humans. You see, parasites are lazy, so they use ticks and fleas to catch a ride into the bodies of our pets. Researchers also discovered harmful pathogenic agents on nearly 10% of ticks and nearly 43% of fleas. Hitching a ride on ticks, fleas and mosquitoes are vicious bacteria, tapeworms and heartworms respectively, and these can cause some nasty diseases. Kim is shocked at what he learns and horrified at the thought of his best friends being sick. This kind of risk is totally unacceptable to him. He calls the vet to ask about what he can do to prevent parasites from getting to Kire and Diablo. After a quick trip to the vet, everything is now under control. Kire and Diablo are protected from parasites and ready for another adventure and plenty of new memories. Keep your pets safe from harmful parasites. Talk to your vet about parasite prevention today.